You know, it seems that to be successful as a small business owner, you need to be an instant expert on a lot of different things. And when it comes to technology, well, that can be challenging. But we're here to help. Today, we're going to show you how to overcome some of the most common tech hurdles small businesses face. So, keep watching. Let's face it, technology just keeps growing and changing. I mean, so much so that as a small business, it can be hard to keep up. Whether it's maintaining a Wi-Fi network that works, keeping data secure, simple IT support, or just the cost of the latest technology, there are many challenges that can affect any size business and budget. Hi, I'm Tom with EPB, and today we're going to share with you 5 of the most common tech challenges we've seen local businesses face and how we've helped overcome them. So let's learn from a leading expert on the EPB Business Tech Pros team, Mark Harrell. Mark, great to have you here, man.
Hey, Tom.
Mark, what's one of the biggest technology challenges that small businesses are going to face?
IT support is really one of the largest challenges that a small business can face. IT support can be costly. Not all business owners are tech savvy, so they have to have somebody that they can count on for that IT support. Well, EPB offers Business Tech Pro support to all of our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If we can't fix it or figure it out over the phone, Tom, we'll send a technician out to your business, and it doesn't matter what time of day it is, morning or night.
You know what? There's a lot less cringing going on right now from small businesses because of that. What's another challenge that you see that people should be aware of?
Well, you know, data security is very important for a small business. We see businesses continuously transferring data files for their employees, for their clients, credit card transactions. There's a lot of data being passed across the network. You don't want to just do that on an open, unprotected network. So EPB stands behind their service, keeps all of your information secure, and keeps it on a private network.
That is great to know. Any other challenges that you see small businesses face that might be tech related?
Insufficient bandwidth is one of the things that you run across a lot with small businesses too. You know, having the right amount of bandwidth for the type of business that you have. We've got our business tech pros that will assess your business and how your business currently runs so that we can offer the services that your business actually needs. How many people are you going to have connected to that internet? Are you going to have streaming devices? You might even have EPB's cameras there, and they'll use some bandwidth too. You know, we like to right-size things. You could get as little as 300 megabits per second, all the way up to 25 gigs.
Wow. Talking about bandwidth, is that for upload and download?
It is, yes. EPB's internet speeds are symmetrical, so you will get the same upload speeds as you will download speeds. And then to top it off, regardless of how big or small the package is, there's never any caps on our data usage, so you never have to worry about any additional fees.
Now, I understand that Wi-Fi can be really a hassle for small businesses.
Regardless of the size of your business, whether it's just a small office, a barber shop, a restaurant, Wi-Fi can be really challenging. EPB offers a Wi-Fi solution to their customers. It's EPB's SmartNet for Business. We'll actually send one of our business tech pros out to your business to assess the area that you're going to be doing business, the amount of devices that you're going to have attached to the Wi-Fi in that business. And we can offer a solution that's going to cover all corners of your small business.
So Mark, whether you're starting a small business or you're already established, bottom line is always important. So is this something that is going to be affordable for everybody?
Definitely. You can actually start out with an internet and SmartNet bundle for under $100 a month. We install the service for you, manage the router for you. Our tech pros actually set the router up, get everything ready to go for you. And then, of course, you get that 24/7 support anytime you need it.
That's some good stuff right there. And under $100. I like that, Mark. Thank you. EPB Business Tech Pros are here to help you address all of your technology challenges. In fact, we'll be happy to perform a free, no-obligation technology assessment to make sure you have the right tools to get the job done. Just give us a call to get started. And be sure to watch our other videos in this series to learn more about all kinds of communication solutions to help you do business even better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.